Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to complete Upwork profile. So here you can open the browser and you will have to just go to the settings and you can see there is my profile. So you can open it and here is you can complete all the portfolio and you can add the per hour price and you can add it portfolio and which service you will have to provide to clients and work history add, and you can add skills, your project catalog, you can manage the project's catalog and promote with ads, availability badge, boost your profile with ads. You can also video introduction, and you can all these are the you can fill out your education, your testimonials from past client out of Upwork, and you can also mention the certification, employment history and other experiences. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.